A scientist looks like, wearing, white.
Like his hair is like all spiky.
A scientist wears safety goggles.
Research shows that by 5th grade, kids who believe they're good at science and math are those most likely to go on to work in a STEM career. But for many children from lower-income families, that confidence never has a chance to grow. That's exactly what Thanksgiving Point and your support provides. Free access for low-income kids to STEM labs, programs, and science centers.
A scientist can be anyone who can ask questions.
Scientists make the world better.
A scientist looks like me. Like me.
Like me.
Like me.
Because when a child gets the chance to learn, everything changes. At Thanksgiving Point, and with your generosity, your tax-deductible donation can provide a single lab or full semester of STEM learning for a low-income child. Give today, and together we can give every child the chance to grow confidence in themselves and STEM, and a place where they belong.